Idiomatic phrases are expressions whose meanings cannot be understood from the literal definitions of the words that make them up. They are an essential part of everyday English, adding color and depth to conversations. Using idioms allows speakers to convey complex ideas, emotions, or situations in a concise and often memorable way. Mastering these phrases helps learners sound more natural and fluent, bridging the gap between textbook English and real-world communication. Understanding idioms also makes it easier to grasp the nuances of native speakers, enhancing both listening and speaking skills. The phrase, "to paddle your own canoe," refers to being independent and taking responsibility for your own actions and decisions. It suggests that, much like guiding a canoe down a river, you are in control of your own journey. This expression emphasizes self-reliance and the ability to manage challenges without relying heavily on others. It encourages individuals to trust their own judgment and to navigate life's obstacles with confidence. Ultimately, paddling your own canoe means charting your own course and being accountable for where you end up. For example, if someone decides to start their own business instead of working for a company, they are paddling their own canoe. Another situation might be a student choosing to study alone rather than join a group, showing self-reliance. In everyday life, you might hear someone say, "She prefers to paddle her own canoe," when describing a person who likes to make decisions on their own. These examples highlight how the expression is used to emphasize independence and personal initiative. The phrase, "to wrap your head around something," refers to the process of understanding or comprehending a concept that may initially seem complex or challenging. When someone says they are trying to wrap their head around an idea, it means they are making an effort to fully grasp its meaning or implications. This expression is often used when discussing topics that require careful thought, or when encountering new information that is not immediately clear. It highlights the mental effort involved in achieving clarity and insight. Overall, wrapping your head around something signifies moving from confusion to comprehension. For example, you might hear someone say, "It took me a while to wrap my head around the new software at work." In another scenario, a friend could admit, "I just can't wrap my head around why she made that decision." These examples show how the expression is used to convey the challenge of grasping something unfamiliar or complicated. Whether it's learning a new skill or coming to terms with unexpected news, the phrase highlights the mental effort involved in understanding. The phrase, "to be down to earth," is often used to describe someone who is practical, realistic, and humble. This person tends to approach situations with common sense and avoids unnecessary complications or pretensions. Instead of being boastful or arrogant, they remain approachable and grounded, making others feel comfortable around them. People who are down to earth are admired for their straightforward attitude and their ability to stay true to themselves, regardless of their achievements or status. Their realistic outlook helps them navigate life's challenges with ease and sincerity. Let's explore how the phrase, "to be down to earth," is used in everyday conversation. For instance, you might hear someone say, "Despite her fame, the actress is really down to earth and treats everyone with kindness." Another example could be, "He may be the CEO, but he's very down to earth and always listens to his employees." In these contexts, down to earth describes people who are practical, humble, and approachable, regardless of their status or achievements. The phrase is often used to compliment someone's genuine and unpretentious nature. The phrase, "to miss the boat," refers to failing to take advantage of an opportunity before it passes. It suggests that a chance was available, but by hesitating or delaying, the moment was lost. This idiom is often used when someone realizes too late that they should have acted sooner. Missing the boat can apply to various situations, such as investments, job offers, or personal decisions. The expression emphasizes the importance of timely action to avoid regret. In essence, it serves as a reminder that opportunities may not wait indefinitely. For example, If a person forgets to apply for a job before the deadline, they might say, "I missed the boat on that position." Another everyday use could be when tickets to a popular concert sell out quickly and someone realizes they waited too long. They might comment, "I missed the boat on getting tickets." These examples show how the expression is used to convey regret over lost chances in daily life. Have you heard the phrase, "to jump the shark"? It is an interesting idiom we use when something popular or good starts to become bad or silly. When we say a TV show or a famous person has jumped the shark, it means they are past their best moment. They have run out of good original ideas and now do strange or unbelievable things to get attention. The phrase comes from a very famous American TV show called Happy Days. In one episode, a cool character named Fonzie did a very silly and unrealistic stunt. He water skied and jumped over a real shark. Many people thought this was the point when the show stopped being good and realistic. It was the moment the quality went down. For example, my favorite cartoons started to add new characters that were very strange. For me, the show jumped the shark when the dog started talking with a computer voice. The band's first album was amazing. Their new album is just boring pop music. They definitely jumped the shark. Our local pizza restaurant was famous for its classic menu, but they started serving pizza with pineapple and chocolate. That was the moment they jumped the shark. So remember, to jump the shark is when something crosses the line from being cool and high quality to being strange, silly, or just low quality. The 5 idioms we explored are valuable tools for enriching your English. Understanding these phrases is key to sounding more natural and making your communication more engaging. Here is a summary of the idioms and their meanings. To paddle your own canoe, to be independent and do things without help. To wrap your head around something, to be able to understand something complex or difficult. To be down to earth, to be practical, realistic, and sensible, referring to a person. To miss the boat, to lose or miss an opportunity or chance. To jump the shark, to reach a point where quality or creativity declines and resorts to absurd gimmicks. So there you have it, 5 powerful English idioms to add to your vocabulary. Remember, mastering these phrases, like knowing when an opportunity is gone because you missed the boat, or realizing a show has gotten too silly and jumped the shark, will make your English sound more natural and sophisticated. Keep practicing them in your conversations. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.